Let's have a look at this question. We're told O is the center of the circle. Part A, we're asked to work out the size of angle A. Part B, another question that asks us to write down the size of angle B. Now I want you to take note of the language. The first question said work out, the second one says write down. We're going to talk a little bit as we work along what is the difference between the language spoken here. So let's work out part A. So we're given here to find A, and we're also given another angle in the triangle. We know that in order to find a missing angle in a triangle, we need to at least know two angles. So this is where I recognize a theorem I have learned has got to be in focus here. So I can see that this is a diameter. Remember, the theorem says angle in a semicircle will always be equal to 90 degrees. So I'll put that in on my diagram. This angle comes off the edge of the diameter on both sides, creates a 90 degrees angle. I have two approaches I could now take for this question. I know that 55 and A also adds to 90 degrees, since angles in a triangle add to 90. That's the easiest way. So I'm going to say that x add 55 degrees should also be equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, A has to be 90 take away 55 degrees. So 90 take away 55 is equal to 35 degrees. So A therefore is equal to 35 degrees. And remember, you write your reason down. That's because angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Second reason, angles in a triangle add to 90 degrees. Now part B of that question says write down. Now when a question says write down, it means that our answer is already right in front of us. We just need to identify it and write it down. So here I'm going to visualize my chord by drawing it in. Remember, this theorem says that angles in the same segment are equal. Therefore, B will also be 25 degrees. Remember, for this theorem to apply, these triangles have to be drawn off the same chord. And if they are on the same side of the segment, they're also the same. And it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching.